and Marivic Olegario from Momilo Food Ventures. We also have Chef Anna Chua, and Chef Chris Pamendona para magpakita sa ating mga samples ng potluck pa-Algar. Wow! Okay, dala natin kay Mars Marivic. Ano ang dala mo sa ating potluck?
Hi, Susie.
Hello.
First of all, thank you for inviting
Of
me.
course! May dala naman kayong pagkain eh.
Why not? This one is the Momilo Mio's cheesy cheese pie. It's the cheese pie.
Ano mo, dati ko pa ito natatandaan.
Actually, matagal na siya, 80s, 90s pa siya.
Yan.
And actually, madaming kaming customers way back who are keeping this.
Yes.
So it's nice to bring this as potluck. Kasi you give surprises to your old friends, high school friends, college friends who are looking for this. So once you bring this as potluck, makikita nila experience
Ba? Ano rin? Ito! At saka nakabata pa, ganun feeling high school ka ulit.
balik to childhood days.
Yes.
So yung ito yun, this
Yes,
one.
this one. And then we have meron Christmas packaging. So you can bring this as potluck, gawin mo na din regalo at the same time.
Pero ano yung mga ganyan yung range ng mga?
This one is 170 for the one with the packaging.
Oh, pwede
This
na.
one, it's 150.
Ayun.
This one kasi complete na with the packaging.
Yes, tapos may card.
May card na, may ribbon na, presento ka.
O, alam mo yung giveaway sa amin sa ngayong Pasko, ha? Mamilong tayo, island yan. O, may kapapaan tayo.
Bilang na ni Mars dyan.
Tigit-tigisa tayo, island.
This one naman, you can also bring this as magpangtang pasta or for coffee. It's butter garlic steak. It's a different spread kasi. When you take it looks very parang ordinary. And once you taste it, masarap.
Ay, parang baka hindi naman totoo yan.
Tikman.
Hindi lang naman. Baka dapat yata matikman na natin sa amin yan.
Parang normal bizcocho look.
Once you taste it, it's very
Ayan. Okay, next we have, Chef Anna. Hi, Chef
Anna. What did you bring sa ating potluck?
Products namin, they are sushi-shaped cakes. They're
Cakes pala yun.
Cute.
yes, they're all cakes. They're wrapped in chocolate. They have chocolate fillings. We now have 12 flavors,
Wow.
and it comes in a box of 4, 9, and 18.
It's assorted.
Assorted siya, or you can choose your flavors.
Oh, wow.
Parang naalala ko yun, last year, nagpunta kayo dito sa amin.
We sent samples.
Ayun.
Oh, that's
Naalala ko yun kasi may chopstick na kasama eh.
Correct.
Ano pa kami, bato-bato pick kung sino mag-uwi ng chopstick eh. Kaya naalala ko
Kaya
yun.
pa naman.
For the box of 4, this one is 140. For the box of 9, 280. And for the box of 18, it's 540.
Oh, wow.
Masarap ba yan?
Nakalimutan ko, hindi ko rin nga po alam. Mars chopstick.
Maybe show us in the box. Ayan, pakita natin sa camera.
Ang hirap parang siya. Ang hirap gawin,
Hindi
no?
mo apa, tigit-tigit sa sampo. Parang very intricately made.
Pwede ko naman siya pa-try kay Mars Janice.
Yes.
Ay, pwede ba namin i-try?
Ayan,
Sige.
patry mo na. Ayan, Mars Janice, hindi ka na ng time mo. Ay, gusto ko itong sesame. Ay, gusto ko lang.
Ay, gusto ko na yung uwi lahat, Mars.
So, anong flavors to? Like, for instance, this one.
That's chocolate. Chocolate.
Yung
Akin yung
Ano to?
That's green tea and pistachios.
Kiniko yan.
Ito po may black sesame.
That's black sesame Nutella.
Ano yan? Sa Nutella. Chocolate lang yung akin.
Coffee kaluwa.
Uy,
O, tikman na natin, Mars. Get your... may kaluwa?
Kainin na naman. Ayan. Ito yung may kaluwa sa'yo.
35. 35. 35.
Ayun, may Mars pa para sa atin. Thank you so much, Chef Anna. Saan mo mga bibili?
We have a shop in Makati at the Collective. It's 7274 Malugay Street, Barangay San Antonio.
Ano yun? Kailan tatawag mo na sila?
No, we have a coffee shop.
Oh, so available to also. Nice one. Miss Rubik, siya naman yung sa inyo.
This one is available in the bazaars. Like in Trinoma, we're regularly in the second level near Rolex store. Every Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. And also in Robinson's Magnolia, Alabang Town Center.
So mga bazaar.
Kailan po kayo Facebook or Instagram or cellphone number where they can order?
Yes, we have fun page in Facebook. I crave for cheesy cheese pie. So
I crave for cheesy cheese pie.
yes, I have schedule of bazaars.
Ngayon,
Yes. This is something new. Actually, last year, in-offer ko na siya. These are Scandinavian cookies. It's not the usual
Para lang po
cookies
ako sa
that we
nagpagawa ng
know,
uniform.
like chocolate chip. Because this one, we can eat sweet or savory.
Kamukha ni
Yun ang
uniform
maganda.
namin.
So, ito,
Picture count ko yan.
in one box, they can request if it's all sugar or if it's all plain or it's a combination of both.
Plain and
Yes.
with sugar.
Yes. And then we have here also another product, the cheesecake. But it's a savory cheesecake, not the usual cheesecake that's sweet. It's flavored with garlic and yeah.
Pwede naman. Yay!
And then we can do even with this one.
Mars. Thank you. Teka, bibigyan ko rin sina Mars Janito ng si Mars. Dito.
Kuha namin po kayo ng
Thank you. Kasi usually pag naman, mas ma-concentrate tayo sa sweet eh.
Yes.
Kaya minsan ako din naghahanap ako ng medyo maalat na.
Is it
like all cheese?
Yes, it's all cream cheese.
Oh, okay.
With a little butter para
Para tikit.
yeah.
Here you go guys. Bibigyan ko kayo. Okay,
Oh,
Mars. Gusto ko matry itong cookies na to.
May shaping. May shaper kami.
Alam mo, first time ko may encounter ng maskina yan, Mars. Diba?
For Christmas, we can also do angel na shape.
Shape.
Yes, angel shape.
Parang mayroon siya gawin. Ay, matagal ba? In-order ba ito in advance?
Kahit one day before lang.
Pwede na.
Yes.
And then how do they order?
cheesy.
If they want to order, they can call 0917-890-5747 or 211-9874.
Facebook.
Facebook, it's Krista's Kitchen, and then on Instagram, it's Home Chef Mom.
Wow. At saka ang ganda ng package.
Thank you.
At ang sarap. Sobra.
Simple-simple lang siya.
Ang crunchy niya. O, diba? At meron pa kami isa pang Mars na nagpadala sa amin ng pampata. Si Mars Mariel. Tingnan mo na, hanap caviar pie.
Yes.
And then meron brie cheese with caramel walnut grapes.
Ang
Grabe.
taray.
With crackers pa. Papatry din natin siya sa ating mga bisita.
Wait, I'll help you.
Oh, thank you so much. This is so good. Pero Mars, Chris, naalala ko yung macarons. You still make it?
Yes, I still make the macarons.
Yun na naalala ko sa Mars, Krista eh.
Mara, sarap mag-guest dito.
Dito po.
Then, nasarte lang po
Panalo.
kayo.
In fairness, sobrang
Minsan lang
swerte
po
nyo
yan
lang.
eh.
Grabe, kakaiba.
Pero alam mo na, miss ko yung ganito natin na we get to taste dessert.
Taste
Oo
ng
nga,
super.
diba? Ay, yes! Oo, yan!
Ako yung nakakabata yan. Nakain ko yan habang papasok ako ng school noon sa college. At saka sa
natin to.
Kaya
Everyone can ano.
Thank you so much, ladies, for bringing all of these wonderful, parang mga potluck idea
Yes.
sa mga Mars natin.
At saka bongga na kasi diba usually yung nagdadala sa pasta Mars, mga yung main course.
Oo.
Ito, may paandan ng dessert, diba?
And thank you once again kay Mars Mariel. Maraming sa Mars Mariel po.
Yay!
Thank you so
Ayan.
much. Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you.
And good luck sa inyo. Mapapagod kayo ngayong Pasko.
Thank
Alam niyo
you.
yan. Maraming
Correct.
order. Thank you so much. At ito naman sa puzzle making naman tayo magpapaandar when we return sa Mars Magaling. Kaya tutok lang sa Dito.